Hello and welcome to this video on mental health. In this video, we will be discussing the factors that increase the risk of mental health issues and what you can do about it. Mental health is an important aspect of overall well-being, and it's important to understand the factors that can impact our mental health, as well as the steps we can take to prevent mental health issues from developing or worsening. Factors that increase the risk of mental health issues. There are several factors that can increase the risk of mental health issues, including genetics, trauma, stress, and substance abuse. For example, individuals who have a family history of mental health issues may be at a higher risk of developing mental health issues themselves. Similarly, individuals who have experienced trauma, such as physical or emotional abuse, may also be at a higher risk of developing mental health issues. The impact of stress and substance abuse. Stress is another factor that can increase the risk of mental health issues. Chronic stress can lead to a number of mental health issues, including depression, anxiety, and insomnia. Additionally, substance abuse, such as the abuse of alcohol or drugs, can also increase the risk of mental health issues, as substance abuse can cause imbalances in brain chemistry and lead to a range of mental health issues. Understanding individual risk factors. Each person has a unique set of risk factors that can contribute to mental health issues. Understanding these factors and how they can impact your mental well-being is an important step in preventing and treating mental health issues. Some of these factors include genetics. Mental health conditions can be passed down from family members, but environmental factors and life experiences also play a role. Childhood experiences, childhood trauma, abuse, and neglect can increase the risk of developing mental health issues later in life. Medical conditions. Chronic medical conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, can increase the risk of mental health issues. Substance abuse, including alcohol and drug use, can increase the risk of mental health issues and make existing conditions worse. Social factors. Social isolation, poverty, and lack of access to mental health resources can all increase the risk of mental health issues. It's important to note that multiple risk factors can interact and compound the risk of developing mental health issues. By understanding your personal risk factors and taking steps to address them, you can help prevent or manage mental health conditions. Engaging in self-care and seeking support. In order to prevent mental health issues, it's important to engage in self-care practices that promote overall well-being. This can include engaging in healthy coping strategies, such as mindfulness practices, seeking out healthy outlets for emotions, such as art or journaling, and seeking out support from a trusted friend, family member, or mental health professional. Additionally, it's important to engage in healthy problem-solving strategies, such as seeking out support from a mental health professional, talking to a trusted friend, or finding practical solutions to problems. Personalized approaches to preventing mental health issues. It's also important to understand that mental health issues can be caused by a combination of factors, and that different individuals may be at risk for different reasons. This means that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to preventing mental health issues, and that it's important to seek out individualized support and treatment. This can include working with a mental health professional to develop a personalized treatment plan, or seeking out alternative forms of therapy, such as art therapy or music therapy. Seeking professional help and medical treatment. It's also important to recognize that mental health issues can be difficult to manage on your own, and that seeking out professional help is an important step in preventing mental health issues and promoting overall well-being. This can include reaching out to a mental health professional for therapy, or seeking out support from a support group or crisis helpline. Additionally, it's important to seek out medical treatment if necessary, as certain mental health conditions may require medication or other forms of medical treatment. Conclusion and call to action for seeking support. In closing, it's important to remember that taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. By understanding the factors that can increase the risk of mental health issues and taking steps to prevent them, you can build a stronger, safer, and more fulfilling life. If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, reach out for support and know that help is available. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more educational videos on mental health.